Hey guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to set the time format into 24 hours format on your Motorola One XT1941-4. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to setting in your Motorola One. And okay guys, here in settings, scroll down and find the system. Okay, go to system. And okay guys, here in system, okay, you can see the date and time. And okay guys, you'll have to do is click date and time. And okay guys, here in date and time, okay, you can see below the use 24-hour format. And okay guys, to set the time into 24 hours format, okay, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side of this use 24-hour format. And okay guys, turn on the switch button. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully set the time format into 24-hour format on your Motorola One XT1941-4. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.